Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a storage solution for the two side pockets in your trunk area. Let's get into it. So I often don't find myself questioning Tesla's decisions in many areas, but this is one of them. I'm not sure why they decided to make these two side pockets over here. Granted, I love the extra storage, but I wish this was a nice, smooth, kind of flat way all the way across, so anything I have in my cargo area doesn't roll down into these side pockets. Well, Basenor made a product just for this that's actually going to be some side storage bins. Let's get into it. Jumping right into the unboxing, let me show you everything that it comes with. So as you open these, you get the actual side storage bins themselves, neatly packaged. So this is kind of what they look like. It's like a waterproof TPE kind of tub thing that's actually going to fit down in each of those side pockets on each side of your Tesla. So here's one of them. You get the other one for the other side. They are a little bit different as the pockets aren't completely symmetrical. So they are a little bit different. So make sure you have the right one on each side. And what I really like about this kit is it includes a kind of felt-lined shelf cover. So you get a nice, smooth, seamless finish all the way across your cargo area. That's one of the best things I think that comes with this set. This matches your OEM carpet perfectly. It's going to look really nice and clean when we get them all installed. So you get both of those as well. Installing the side trunk pocket organizers is actually incredibly easy as well. If you look at the bottom, there's a little diagram here. I'll try to get it on camera so you guys can see where they actually go in the car. There's obviously the front of the car, the side mirrors. This goes on the driver's side, so really simple. So I'm going to flip it back over and just kind of line it up with my pocket and kind of give it a little punch so it fits down in there. It's a nice snug fit. You just give it a little bit of force and it's a perfect symmetrical fit all the way around. Grab your actual liner. This is super lightweight, but durable, same felt that's actually in the car, and it just sits right on top of that side pocket. Absolutely perfect. Absolutely love it. You also get this little pull tab. So whenever you want to access to your side pockets, give it a pull, move it out of the way. You can easily hide things in there now, in addition to all the area you get in your sub trunk. So it's really cool. Let's put that back on, and let me show you real quick how to do the other side. So installing this side is just the same. I'm going to do it while holding the phone with one hand. So push it down, give it a little bit of a punch so it kind of seats down in there. Make sure you get it under the lips. And there you go. You get it kind of locked in really good. See if you can see that. Grab your actual cover here, your nice felt line cover. Pop it over and in, and you're good to go. It looks awesome. Same pull tab on this side. Lots of storage and lots of places to put things away. I often didn't like coming out to my Tesla and seeing all my junk just kind of strewn out in these side pockets. So I really like having a nice cover there as well. Now let's look at what you get. A flat surface all the way across here. Stuff's not going to roll off into these side pockets. Perfectly level, flat kind of shelf where you can still tuck things away inside now on top of these little felt liners if you want. But also you're protecting and covering everything that's down in there. Whatever you want to keep down in there, your mobile charger, your J1772 adapter, other things that you could use for your Tesla, you usually put them away. So really, really nice. I actually absolutely love these liners. They're one of the best purchases that I think you could make for accessorizing your Tesla. So I want to give you guys an idea of what I like to keep in the side pockets of my Tesla, at least in one of these over here. So moving away the nice cover, I like to keep a vacuum in my car. This is the Red Tiger vacuum I reviewed on the channel. I just like it tucked away in here in case I ever have spills. My little guy's in the back seat. He spills crumbs and things all the time. He can use that vacuum, clean it up himself. It's really, really nice. I also like to keep a tire inflator. This is extremely useful to have in your Tesla because they don't come with spare tires. So I keep a spare tire inflator here. It's charged up all the time, so I can charge up or pump up a tire if I ever have a flat or things like that. Easily tuck that away in one of these pockets. And how about an umbrella? This is the Jawa umbrella that matches my red Tesla. Looks really sharp. I like to keep that away tucked down in here as well. All those things easily fit nice and neat in my side pocket. Push it down into storage. Then I have all that flat storage on the side as well. Really convenient. Well, that about wraps up this video. I really like these trunk side storage bins. I think they're one of the best things that you could buy for your Tesla, in addition to maybe say the front storage boxes that go under your front seats. These are awesome. I love having a flat surface all the way across my rear trunk area here. Just gives me additional storage that I can keep tucked away nice and clean and it's not just visible. All my junk's just not visible. So I like keeping my things kind of nice and tidy in my Tesla. Just appreciate you guys coming back and checking out another video. If you're interested in this product, I'll have a link to the specific Basenor ones down in the description below, but also feel free to check out my Amazon store. It has all the products that I've reviewed from Basenor, my accessories that I recommend from Amazon. Check it all out down in the description, as well as how I clean my Tesla, how I camp in my Tesla. All kinds of storage accessories are all linked in my Amazon storefront. So make sure to check those out as well. Thank you guys for coming back and watching this video. I appreciate all of you. Feel free to like and subscribe. We'll catch you guys in the next video. Have a great day.